A very good morning, my little kids. How is it going? Good. How was your Eid celebrations? Did you enjoy it well? Yeah, we know we can't enjoy that much due to this pandemic. Let us hope everything will be all right and we will get back our happy school days. Okay? Which lesson did we start in the previous class? Do you remember? Yes, how the firefly got its light. How the firefly got its light. How did it get? Yeah, there we stopped. Today, let us learn how the firefly got its light. Okay? Children, the firefly was so sad. Why? Because nobody can't see at night. And he wanted to be something special. Then he looked at night and saw the shining stars. And he wished he could shine like stars. Okay? His words Moon had heard and Moon offered him to make shine. What is the condition? Yeah, Moon want a friend at night. And the firefly agreed it. Then Moon taught him a magical words. When the firefly says this one, he can shine. What was the magical words? Yes, fly oh fly, shine oh shine. These are the magical words. Once again repeat with me. Fly oh fly, shine oh shine. The next night, the firefly said the magical words. Fly oh fly, shine oh shine. What is the magical word? Fly oh fly, shine oh shine. As soon as said these words, the firefly started to shine. It was like a star. And firefly was so happy. The mole and mouse said, "What? Look at the firefly. How special he is. Looking like a star." And they wished they could shine like firefly. And the firefly was so happy and the moon also was very happy because he got a friend at night and the firefly also could shine like a star. Both are very happy and the firefly thanked at moon. Okay, this is the story of the firefly. Children, let us read the textbook. Take page number 15. Yeah, till here we have read in the previous class. Now come to next line. Then Moon said to fly. Moon said to fly what? He will make the firefly shine. That's why the moon said to fly what? I will teach you a secret spell. I will teach. Who will teach? The moon will teach the firefly a secret spell to make him shine. What is the secret spell? What is the meaning of spell? Spell means words. Okay, words with the power of magic. Here, the words that made fly shine. Fly oh fly, shine oh shine. Fly oh fly, shine oh shine. If you say these words every night, you will shine. If you say these words every night, you will shine. Who said these? To whom? The moon said to the firefly. The next night, fly stayed awake. Awake. Okay? Fly stayed awake. He said the secret words, fly oh fly, shine oh shine. As soon as he said these magical words, fly started to shine. He was like a star. It was magical. Look, said mouse to mole. Yeah, once the mouse and mole couldn't see firefly. Because he was too small, it was hard to see him in the dark. That's why. Now, when it started shine, mouse said to Mole what? Look at fly. How special. I want to shine too. Who want to shine? Yeah, the mouse also want to shine like the firefly. Mole said, yes, I wish I could shine like fly too. Mole also want to shine like the firefly. Yes, I wish. The mole wishes. What? It could shine like fly. Okay? Fly was very happy now. He told Moon with a smile, I will always be your friend. Who told this? Yeah, the firefly told Moon with a smile. What? He will always be the moon's friend. Okay? I will always be your friend. The firefly told Moon. When you come out at night, I will be here. When you come out, when the moon come out at night, who will be there? Yeah, the firefly will be there. Okay? I will shine brightly in the dark to welcome you. Who will shine? Yeah, the firefly will shine brightly in the dark to welcome you, to welcome the moon. Moon smiled back at his new friend and said, thank you, dear fly. Moon smiled back at his new friend and said, thank you, dear fly. Okay, children, read this lesson 3 times. Okay. Children, take textbook page 17. Comprehension. First work. And here are few words in a box and here are few sentences, incomplete sentences. What we have to do, choose the correct answer, correct word from this box and fill up the sentences. Okay? And let us read the words. What is the first one? Pretty, shine, special, strong, spell, stars. Once again, pretty, shine, special, strong, spell, stars. Now listen the first question. Fly was sad because he wanted to be dash. What is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, special. Okay? Special. He wanted to be special. Write it in your textbook. Special. Now come to second question. Fly thought B was dash. Fly thought B was dash. What is the answer? Now we don't want to listen this special because we have completed that one. Pretty, shine, strong, spell, stars. What is the answer here? B was? Yes, correct. This one. Okay? Strong. B was strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Write it. Now third one. Fly thought butterfly was dash. Fly thought butterfly was dash. Now we have to listen these 4 words. Pretty, shine, spell, stars. Butterfly was? Yes, pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. What's the meaning of pretty? Beautiful. Butterfly was pretty. Now fourth question. Fly wanted to shine like the dash. Fly wanted to shine like the, yes, stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Finish it. Now fifth one. Moon taught Fly a secret dash. Moon taught Fly a secret dash. Only 2 words are remaining here. Shine and spell. What is the correct answer? Yes, it is spell. Secret, spell. Okay. Now the last question is, Now, fly could dash. Of course, only one word is remaining there. That is the answer. What it is? Shine. S-H-I-N-E. Shine. Now, fly could shine. Complete the answers in your textbook. Okay?
Children, read the lesson 3 times and do your works in the textbook. Okay. Thank you so much.